quite small, round. Forms of ironwork. Iron's very expensive, so we get smaller pieces of iron. That is my anvil.
We don't want a piece of wood in front of That's what's not bad, is it?
I'm not holding the kids.
What are you looking for?
I can't tell if he's filming us or not. He's.
As you do, yeah.
Soldier first and foremost.
Kind of cool. Yeah.
You start a fire inside.
The bow arms sits into a bundle of cord in here. So in there.
The old false skirmishing.
So you are going to take enemy and has been brutally killed. Back in line.
You've been
So,
but get back in line. Love that.
if you run off by yourself, you are going to get killed. You have got to stay in your shield wall.
So we need you to move backwards so you're all in a line.
When we march forwards, we march forwards together.
In the line.
St. James, I've got my foot.
Dragged around the.
Don't know where that is, God.
Kitchen or probably making yourself ill.
We'll come back at 12 o'clock, okay?
We're going down plank.
Whatever that is.
We good?
Let's see if they mark the passports. I don't want to get in their way.
On your command, sir. Ready to go? Yeah. Vexillatio. Intern. Take. Pila. Ed Hasta. Porta. Take. Crocodile. Take.
Look at that. That's quite a lot of puppeteering skills.
Yeah.
And he's got one on his wrist and hands and
How can
fingers.
you do that?
Practice.
That's exactly the word I was going to say.
It's a walking teddy bear.
She's waving to you. You're going to wave back to her.
Going to say
We're going to take the red one, we're going to take the black one, the red one, we're going to take the red behind my back. What colour's behind my back? Oh, it's black. Oh, what do you make of that? The red one's here. We'll do it one more time, and can you try this time? If I put the red one behind my back, what colour's behind my back?
Red.
Oh, it's black. The red one's here.
Hello, good day. Very progressive for the times. Very.
No, can you go on it? And then go on the app. So you go on the app, go into the
Give him a little throw, that's it. Well done.
Just big, don't make a big fuss.
He's not going to get you. He's not going to bite you. You've got a dinosaur in your arm. I know. Good. Did you make it? He doesn't bite. He only eats naughty boys and girls. You haven't been naughty today, have you? No, that's all right then. You haven't been naughty today, have you? No. No.
Oh, it's not going to bite you, look. See? Look.
It's just a practice.
Just to practice, yes. If someone happens to rehearsal,
No, I do not surrender.
This is surrender.
Thank you.
Surrender, thank you. Who would you like to go with next?
You've got a hand in your pocket.
Wow.
Oh! Right. Underneath your hat is hair. Oh! In that bag, there's a little bit of lint, a little bit of dust. Yeah.
Appears to be overwhelmed. Plenty to be overwhelmed. If dogs own horses,
Looking for more recruits to join them.
Beautiful.
Would you like a photograph with us?